Well, with windy conditions, several emergency departments across central Texas are reminding you to prioritize fire safety. So Mason, Gillespie, Blanco, Hayes, Caldwell, Bastrop, and Fayette counties are all under burn bans. Make sure all fires are completely out. Avoid burning anything, even if your area is not under a burn ban. And all of this comes as fireworks are now on sale across Texas until New Year's Day. Last weekend, KVUE spoke with Battalion Chief Tori Thompson with Pflugerville Fire Department about fireworks safety.
Sure. Obviously, we've had a lot of dry weather, so you have dry brush, dry grass. You have a lot of structures in the area that have homes. So obviously, any aerial fireworks could cause potential damage to homes, and then any ground fireworks, obviously catching some of the brush and things like that on fire and causing a problem for the community.
Once those winds calm down a bit, Battalion Chief Thompson recommends letting adults handle any fireworks.